The Galactic Council chamber floated in absolute silence. 12 alien species sat in a perfect circle, each one biologically different, each one ancient and powerful, yet all of them shared the same unspoken emotion: fear. At the center of the chamber, a massive hologram displayed a small blue planet, Earth, slowly rotating, burning, marked with a red symbol that meant only one thing across the galaxy: forbidden. The High Arbiter rose, his metallic voice echoing through the chamber. Species designation: humanity. Threat level: unacceptable. Verdict: total exile. With those words, humanity was erased from galactic records. Star maps were rewritten, trade routes adjusted. Earth was declared a forbidden world. That day, humanity did not lose a war. We lost our place in the galaxy. Humans had not arrived among the stars as conquerors. We arrived as explorers. Our first faster-than-light jump was never meant to contact aliens. It was a desperate experiment to save a collapsing Earth. When the human vessel Pioneer 1 appeared inside a galactic trade corridor, alien fleets surrounded it within minutes. The crew expected curiosity, perhaps diplomacy. Instead, they were scanned, analyzed, and judged. Alien biologists were disturbed by what they found. Humans were too adaptable, too emotional, too aggressive when cornered, too creative under pressure. Other species evolved slowly, safely, predictably. Humans evolved through disaster, war, extinction-level events. We survived not because we were strongest, but because we refused to quit, and that terrified them. The Galactic Council debated humanity's fate for years. Some proposed enslaving humans. Others demanded immediate extermination. But fear shaped the final decision. One council member said, "If humans are allowed to stay, they will not serve us. They will surpass us." And so they chose exile, not mercy, not death. Something far worse. Human communication arrays were destroyed. Jump gates collapsed, satellites were erased from orbit. Earth was pushed beyond the dead sectors, regions of space filled with radiation storms, black holes and gravitational anomalies where no known species could survive. A final message was broadcast to humanity: "You are banned from the galaxy. Return, and you will be destroyed." They expected humanity to vanish, to starve, to fracture, to disappear into cosmic dust. Instead, humanity adapted. The first decades were hell. Colonies failed. Ships were lost. Millions died. But humans learned. We built settlements near dead stars. We harvested energy from radiation. We learned to live in gravity that crushed alien bodies. Children were raised learning survival before language. Engineers rebuilt ships from wreckage and scrap. Scientists rewrote physics textbooks just to stay alive. Exile did not break humanity. It refined us. Over centuries, the human body changed. Bones grew denser, muscles stronger, reflexes faster. Human minds adapted to constant danger. Fear became discipline. Hope became determination. Our ships evolved too. Hulls that healed themselves. Reactors powered by artificial stars. Weapons designed not to intimidate, but to end wars quickly. Most importantly, humans stopped fearing death, because exile had already taken everything. While humanity evolved in darkness, the galaxy grew comfortable, complacent, dependent on ancient systems and old alliances. And then, from beyond known space, something new arrived. A cold, machine-like species with no diplomacy, no mercy, and no fear. Galactic fleets fell in days. Entire civilizations vanished. Weapons that once ruled the stars failed. Panic spread through the Galactic Council. One by one, council members realized a terrible truth. They had erased the only species that might survive this. In desperation, a forbidden decision was made. A signal was sent into the dead sectors, into the darkness where humanity was exiled. The message was short, stripped of pride. to the species called humanity. If you still exist, we require